What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of y with respect to t. Y is 4 times sine of square root of 1 plus square root of t plus t squared. So the first thing I want to do, I'm going to have a quick review. The derivative of sine x we know is cosine x, and derivative of sine u is going to be u prime cosine u, when u is a function of x. Right now we have something like that, sine of u to the power of n. How do we do that? That's gonna be u prime times cosine u to the power of n. Basically u to the power of n prime, which is gonna be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime times cosine u to the power of n. Let's go back to the question. So it's gonna be, based on what I said here, it's gonna be 4 times cosine square root of 1 plus root t plus t squared times square root is to the power of 1 over 2. Well, basically here is going to be 4 sine of 1 plus root t plus t squared to the power of 1 over 2. So that's going to be 1 over 2 times 1 plus root t plus t squared to the power of negative 1 over 2 times derivative of what you see here. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of root t is going to be 1 over 2 root t plus derivative of t squared, which is 2t. So that's going to be 1 over 2 root t plus 2t over 2 root 1 plus root t plus t squared. That's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.